Keeping the pancreas healthy is crucial for the proper functioning of the digestive system and for the regulation of blood sugar levels. Below, I explain which are the 10 best foods that can help keep the pancreas healthy for longer and why they are beneficial. 1. Spinach. Spinach, a powerful superfood, is more than just a leafy green in your salad. This plant is packed with iron, a mineral that is essential for blood health and proper immune system function. In addition, spinach is a rich source of B vitamins, which play a vital role in converting food into energy, which is essential for the body's daily functioning. Eating spinach regularly can help keep pancreatic cells healthy and reduce the risk of cell damage, thanks to its impressive nutritional profile. In addition to its vitamins and minerals, spinach contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin. These compounds help fight free radicals by reducing oxidative stress, a factor that can damage pancreatic cells. The anti-inflammatory properties of spinach are also remarkable, helping to keep the pancreas free of inflammation that can lead to serious conditions like pancreatitis. Incorporating spinach into the diet is an effective way to protect the pancreas and support overall health. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli, one of the most respected cruciferous vegetables, is not only a common accompaniment to dishes. This vegetable is a real powerhouse when it comes to protecting the pancreas. It is rich in sulforaphanes, compounds that have demonstrated antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Not only do these compounds help protect the cells of the pancreas from damage, but they can also support the detoxification of the body by making it easier for the liver and pancreas to work. Broccoli also contains a significant amount of fiber, which helps keep blood sugar levels stable by reducing the load on the pancreas. A high-fiber diet can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a condition that puts tremendous stress on the pancreas. By including broccoli in your meals, you not only support pancreatic health, but you also reap benefits for heart and digestive system health. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries, often referred to as a superfood, are small blue fruits that pack a powerful nutritional punch. They are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are responsible for their vibrant color and health benefits. These antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting pancreatic cells from oxidative stress, which can lead to cell damage and inflammation. Consuming blueberries regularly can help reduce the risk of developing pancreatic diseases by keeping cells healthy and functional. In addition to their antioxidant effects, blueberries have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. They are also low in calories and have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for keeping blood sugar levels in check. This glycemic balance is critical for reducing the load on the pancreas and supporting its function in insulin production. Incorporating blueberries into your daily diet is a delicious and effective way to promote pancreatic and overall health. 4. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are more than just a healthy substitute for regular potatoes. It is a fundamental food for the health of the pancreas. With its low glycemic index, sweet potatoes release sugar into the blood slowly and steadily, preventing sudden glucose spikes that can overwhelm the pancreas. This glycemic control is essential for pancreatic health, especially for those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes, where the pancreas is already working hard to regulate blood sugar. In addition to its role in sugar regulation, sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. Fiber aids digestion and promotes a healthy environment in the intestinal tract, while beta-carotene acts as an antioxidant, protecting the cells of the pancreas from damage. Regular consumption of sweet potatoes may support pancreatic function, improving overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 5. Garlic. Garlic, known for its strong aroma and characteristic flavor, is a powerful ally in maintaining pancreatic health. With its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, garlic helps strengthen the immune system, protecting the pancreas from infections and inflammation that can impair its functioning. Active compounds in garlic, such as allicin, have shown potential in improving insulin resistance, a crucial benefit for pancreatic health. Garlic may also help reduce cholesterol and improve blood circulation, all of which contribute to the overall health of the pancreas and cardiovascular system. Incorporating garlic into the daily diet not only improves the taste of dishes, but also provides an extra layer of protection for the pancreas, ensuring that it functions efficiently for many years to come. 6. Turmeric. Turmeric, often celebrated for its vibrant golden hue, is a spice with impressive medicinal properties. The active component of turmeric, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, which can help protect the pancreas from inflammation and oxidative damage. Studies suggest that curcumin may play a role in preventing pancreatic disease by reducing chronic inflammation, which is a significant risk factor for these conditions. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric may also aid digestion and improve liver function, factors that indirectly benefit the pancreas. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, whether in curries, teas, or supplements, can provide lasting benefits for pancreatic and overall health by helping to keep the organ functioning optimally. 7. Yogurt. Natural yogurt, rich in probiotics, is one of the best foods to support digestive health and, consequently, pancreatic health. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in the gut microbiome, which is crucial for proper digestion and immune system function. A healthy gut can reduce the inflammatory load in the body by supporting the pancreas in its digestive role. In addition to probiotics, plain yogurt is also a good source of protein and calcium, which are essential nutrients for overall health. Opting for plain yogurt with no added sugars or artificial sweeteners is important to maximize its health benefits. Incorporating plain yogurt into your diet can promote a healthy digestive environment, helping the pancreas function efficiently and protecting it from potential inflammation. 8. Tomatoes, with their vibrant red color and juicy flavor, are more than just a staple ingredient in the kitchen. They are a powerful ally in protecting the pancreas. Rich in lycopene, a potent antioxidant, tomatoes help fight free radicals that can cause damage to pancreatic cells. This antioxidant has been linked to reducing the risk of several diseases, including those affecting the pancreas, thanks to its protective properties. In addition to lycopene, tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C and potassium, which play important roles in cardiovascular health and maintaining electrolyte balance. Consuming tomatoes regularly can help reduce inflammation and protect pancreatic cells from oxidative damage, promoting robust pancreatic health and supporting overall well-being. 9. Red grapes. Red grapes, small but powerful, are rich in resveratrol, an antioxidant that offers significant protection for the pancreas. Resveratrol has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, helping to protect pancreatic cells against oxidative stress and inflammation that can lead to disease. This compound has also been linked to cardiovascular benefits, which are essential for the overall health of the pancreas. In addition to resveratrol, red grapes are a good source of fiber and water, aiding digestion and hydration, which are crucial factors for the efficient functioning of the pancreas. Incorporating red grapes into your diet can not only promote pancreatic health, but also provide comprehensive benefits to the body, improving heart health and digestion. 10. Whole grains. Whole grains, such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice, are essential foods for keeping the pancreas healthy. They are high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels by reducing the burden on the pancreas in insulin production. Proper control of blood sugar levels is key to preventing pancreatic stress and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. In addition to fiber, whole grains are a source of essential nutrients such as B vitamins and minerals that support cellular health and energy production. Incorporating whole grains into your daily diet can improve digestive health, support glycemic control, and provide sustained energy, benefiting pancreas health and promoting overall well-being. And now that you know the best foods to keep your pancreas healthy, the question is, how can these choices transform your life in ways you never imagined? Why can neglecting pancreas care have unexpected consequences for your overall health? Consider how a healthy pancreas can be the foundation of a stronger, more resilient body. What steps can you take today to start protecting this vital organ? Think about the possibilities for a healthier future with simple but powerful changes to your diet. What else can you discover about your body and health if you keep exploring? Let these questions follow you and see how small actions can generate big results. What's next in your healthcare journey? Stay tuned for more insights that could change your life forever.